Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to continue selling when product is out of stock or inventory is zero. For example, in this particular product the inventory is zero and it will not let me purchase this product and displaying sold out. So in order to let customer purchase this product, I need to go to the Shopify dashboard, then click on the products here and select the respective product, which is color block bucket hat, this one. Now scroll down to the inventory section here. And then there is an option you need to select continue selling when out of stock and click on the save button here. Now go to the front end and refresh your page. You can see the sold out is removed from here and now I can purchase this product. Also, in case if you have product with multiple variants, then edit that particular product and scroll down to the variants. Now, if you want to enable this setting for particular variant, then click on that variant and then scroll down to the inventory section here. Again, you need to click on the continue selling when out of stock option here and click on the save button. Now, in case if you want to enable this setting for all the variants, then go back, select all the variants here, then click on three dots here and click on continue selling when out of stock and click on the save button here. Now, this setting is enabled for all the variants and customer can buy these products when even they are out of stock. Thank you.